guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. That's me. So in today's video, it's a little different. I want to bring your attention to a brand that I had dealt with a while back, and I've been meaning to really come on here and tell you all about it because this is a mess. Not only is it a really great brand, customer service is on point, they make great products, they're super affordable, and guys, you can get them at Walmart. It's amazing. Now, I'm sorry, I'm trying to pull my shirt down. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so if you want to see what the brand is that I'm talking about and some of the items that are here, then I highly suggest keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thank you. Okay guys, so in this video, I want to bring your attention to a company called Wild Spirit. Now, the reason I think, I've had this box for so long, and I spoke to customer service. And I'll get into that in a minute, why I was speaking to customer service. You know how I do my freebies, right? So this company, Wild Spirit, was offering up 2 samples, 2 little tiny vials of 2 fragrances. You get to pick. Now, they're all natural, okay? They use natural fragrances. They use, how can I explain it? I don't have the brochure here, I would read it. But I'm going to insert some stuff down below in the description box about, their mission statement, and also what makes them unique. But I'm going to show you right now. So I signed up for these 2 little samples, right? And what happened was, I don't know if I mentioned this before or not, but I hope if I did, then I'm saying it again because it's that good. Okay, so, all right. What happened was I signed up for these 2 little samples, and it did come. They came to the house in this bubble. You know how the envelopes come, like the Ipsy envelopes? Well, it was a plain white one, and it was wrapped, and it was taped. And it had postage due, and I was like, wait, no, what? $3 and whatever cents? I'm not supposed to pay for this. I don't understand. So I didn't have any cash. I never have cash on me, so I sent it back, right? So I contacted the company, and I didn't know if it was a mistake on their part or is the, I have something in my eyelash. Is the post office kind of getting, this was a while ago now, guys. This was last winter. Now, since then, they've even gotten bigger, and they're still affordable, and they're still at Walmart. And I've just talked recently to, her name, I believe is Caroline, from Wild Spirit. That's the name of the brand. And guys, they're amazing. I mean, honestly, I'm very picky about my perfumes, and, I'm not big on, body sprays, especially with these damn lanternflies that we got going on around. I won't wear anything. But when they go away, I'm not real big on a whole bunch of body spray or anything. I like a nice, subtle, clean, or spicy type perfumes, right? So, anyway, I told her, listen, this is what happened. And she was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. She's like, that should have not happened. She said, listen, please, as a courtesy, as an apology to you, could you please go on the website and pick out a product and 2 cents, and please, write back to me with those 2 cents and the product. So sorry. So I said, well, you don't have to do that. And she's like, no, really, I want to. So I did. I went on the website and I was looking, and I figured, what are those things? You drop you would drop in a vial and it would spray. Atomizer, I forget. It's a word I can't pronounce. I'll put it up here. Anyway, I looked at those and they were sold out. So I was like, okay, because, I didn't want to get anything expensive. Like she said, please pick a product from our website. And I'm thinking, I just wanted samples, you know what I mean? So I just wanted to smell the 2 samples. So I went through all the scents, and I already had the 2 that I picked out. So I told her those 2. And I said, I don't know. I said the spray thing, atomizers, or whatever they're called, again, word up here, you're out of them, and I was going to choose that. I said, so it's just fine. Just please send me 2, the little vials like you did before. Just, I don't carry money with me, so just maybe if you could take care of the postage like it was supposed to be in the beginning. And so anyway, long story short, she ended up sending me this. Now, I couldn't believe it. It came in a box, and it was wrapped very nicely. It was also, it looked like a present. It came, so I'm like, what is this? And then I saw Wild Spirit, and I'm like, get out. I first thought it was those things, automizers, whatever they are, the spray thingies that you put the bottle in, okay? And like bird scent has them, I think, or something. I don't know. But anyway, I opened it up and it wasn't. It came in a box like this. Again, I've had this box for a while. My label's blacked out. It comes in a box like, it came in a box like this. It had all these little squigglies, and I almost missed it, but it had something else in here. So I'm going to show you what she sent me, and I couldn't believe it. And I have since purchased this items from this company, and I got it at Walmart, guys. When I found out they were at Walmart, I about died. And when I found out how reasonably priced they were, I was like, oh my god. And I love them, and I have them all the time. I have them on my dresser. So this is what she sent me, and I couldn't believe it. She told me to pick out 2 scents. So I wanted something fresh and like clean, because that's what I like. And I also wanted something like spicy and sexy, right? Well, their website deals with like natural fragrances. They get their fragrances from natural places, like from natural things. I don't know the word again. I have to look it up. I will put it down below. But she sent me these. I was so like, these are so cute. So first of all, I have this little canvas bag, and inside she had a whole bunch of squigglies, right? Gotta hide them from Carly. Sorry for the dust, because I've had it for a while. And little squigglies, and inside the bag, in this bag right here, were 2 of these little things. And not only that, they're the fragrance that I chose. Now I chose, okay, I'm trying to remember which one. Chill was the name of one of them. And this is, it said the notes on this are caramel, like a salted caramel, with, I believe, vanilla and cinnamon. And guys, it is so good. Like I want to eat it. Like, that's how good it is. It smells, I just love it. I mean, it really is nice. It smells just like it says. Like, when they say the notes, that's all you smell. You smell the caramel, you smell the vanilla, and I think there's one other scent in there, maybe cinnamon or something, but it is so good. But look at these little things, and they're so cute because look, they come with a little ball on top. I mean, how cute is that? Oh my god. You know, I get those little sample ones like I showed you that I got for hubby from the Try It sampling community in my last freebie haul, and they're like this big, and you can spray them, and once they're sprayed, they're gone. This thing, yo, and look, I have been using this. I kid you not. I use this, and look how much is gone from the top. I'm not kidding. Now, the second one that she sent me was in the scent, this is Driftwood, okay? And when I looked up, because under each name, under each, you know, fragrance, it gives you the notes and kind of like describes what it smells like. So this is a very fresh and clean scent. Like, I like that. I like that in perfumes. I like to smell like I just got out of the shower, kind of, you know, like a clean, fresh scent. I'm not too big on floralies and sweet and all that, but this, oh, wonderful, wonderful. It smells like, again, I can't say soap because that's an understatement. It just really smells good. And again, it comes with a little ball, and I have been using this one too, guys, and I kid you not, I have tons and tons of those little samples, expensive perfumes, but I reach for this more than anything, and I've been using it, and look how much is there. I mean, a little goes a long way, and oh, it's just so good. So on romantic evenings, I wear the caramel, the chill. When I'm going to chill with my man, I chill with this. And then when I want to be clean and fresh and out and running about or whatever, I use the Driftwood. Now, not only that, I almost missed it because, again, you get a box with the little squigglies in it, and I got a paper, which I'm, you know, on my dresser. Probably, actually, to be honest with you, I probably threw it away because I read it and everything. This came with it, and I thought this was amazing. I was like, wow, get out. I've never had one of these, but I'm so glad I have this now. Now, you don't see me wear it a lot because I'm always afraid I'm going to break it or lose it. I'm terrible with bracelets, very hard. My hands are constantly going quick, and I don't reach. I mean, I don't think before I reach. And so on special occasions when I go out with hubby, I will put this on, and I wear it. Now, it's kind of like, what do they call those things? I forget the name of this. It's so, I can't believe I'm not prepared for this video. Hang on. 1 second, guys. Oh, wait a minute. Really? Oh, come on. Ah, come here. All right. You can tighten it up to fit your wrist. And what you do is, you see this? This is like, it's made out of almost like a cork. It's a special type of natural something. I forget. I want to say wood, but it says why. I don't, sorry, excuse me for the swatches, but let me take it off so I can show you. It's got the beads on it. Now these beads, what it does is, what's that word? Oh God, I'm gonna have to put it up here. You actually take the perfume or you know, whatever perfume, and you rub it on here, and a diffuser. Oh my gosh, there you go. It is a body diffuser. This will stay on your wrist, and you can put it on this thing in the middle. Now look at this. It's just so pretty. And I mean, guys, I'm not kidding when I say they're affordable. Like $10. Like really, it's insane. And they're all natural. That's the thing, and I love them. I've tried 4 scents so far, and these 2 by far are my favorite. I do have 2 other ones. I bought 2. I gave 1 to my friend, and I still have the other one that I have not opened, but I do know what it smells like. Because there's no sense in me opening 3, because there's really not. So I will save that. Now this is what it looks like. Let me hold it up here, guys. Oh God, please focus. Can you see that? It says Wild Spirit, and then on the back it's plain. Now what you would do is you take, let me, that's because hubby's coming over tomorrow morning, so, or this morning I should say. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning right now. And you just rub it, I'm sorry, you rub it on here like that, and it absorbs right in. See how it absorbs right in? You just have to sit there and hold it for a second. And there you go. It's in, and oh my God, it smells wonderful. So you don't have to constantly be putting it on. You don't have to carry it with you if you don't want. You can, like, I mean, they're so cute. They fit right in your purse. But you don't have to, because now you have this, and all you have to do, hubby usually does this for me. I put it on, and it's just pretty. It just goes, I mean, there it is. It stays on. You have it, and you can smell. I mean, I can actually smell. Oh, so good. I mean, I have it on, I know, but I definitely can smell it now, because I only put a little bit on my wrist. But this company is definitely one you should check out. I'm going to leave a link to their website down below, but you can, if you want, go to Walmart and you will see their products there. They have a lot of different scents, and like I said, these are kind of like natural scents. These are things that they come from the earth and they make the fragrances with, as do a lot of companies, I guess. But I mean, isn't that what perfume is? But these are like, I can't think of the word of it, but I will leave it up here or down below when I look it up. I will put their mission, like, you know, a little bit about the company down below, but I highly recommend clicking on that link and checking them out, because not only can you order online, but you can go to Walmart and find whatever it is. Oh my God, really? Did I just do that? And, well, they're sturdy. That didn't break. You can find whatever you want there. And I mean, yes, I got them for free, but I absolutely went and purchased them because that's how good they were. And I purchase things that I get for free, not on the regular, but occasionally, and I have to really, really like something, and that's why I do the sampling. And I'm also happy I got these, because these are so worth it. So worth it. And so affordable. And they are just really great scents. And they last, you know, a little goes a long way. They last for hours on you. I mean, it's wonderful. So again, again, guys, Wild Spirit, that's the name of the company. And I just wanted to do a shout out to, I believe her name is Carolyn. I will, again, put it down in the description box. Thank you so much for being so kind and sending me this. I told you I would put a video up, and I'm so sorry it's late, really late, but I have been absolutely enjoying it. And like I said, I did go to Walmart and I did purchase 2 more scents, and yeah, I'm just loving it. This is definitely a company you guys should look into. I highly recommend it. Let's put it that way. You know, take it for what it's worth. Give it a look. Give it a look. See what you think. When you're in Walmart, stop by the fragrance section and see, and you'll see they have a display usually there. Or if not, ask someone there in Walmart and they'll direct you to it. All right, guys, I just wanted to let you know that, and this is a really great company, and I just am also happy that I was able to get a free sample of that, and then all of this happened because of that. And, you know, I can't thank them enough. They did not have to send these, but I'm also happy they did. Again, if you guys are new here, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Please rate this video thumbs up, and make sure your bell is on so you're notified each and every time I upload. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, let's try and get to 500 so I can have a super duper giveaway, which I do have 2 giveaways going on now. They are open until the end of September. If you have not entered, please go watch those videos. I will leave those linked down below as well. And yeah, guys, until I see you in the next one, please remember, if you're feeling blue, reach out. Talk to someone. Talk to me. I don't care. I'm a good listener, and I love to talk to you guys. If you haven't said something to someone, now's the time to do it. Don't wait for that perfect time, because you may never have it. You may miss your chance. And also, through all of this craziness, please stay safe. Bye, guys. See ya.